Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Ipsy for September and my Ipsy Glam bag. And the Ipsy Glam bag is $14 and it is $1.99 for a handling fee. So it's $16 a month. If you buy it by the quarter or the 6 months or a year, you get it for you get it a little bit cheaper. I bought it for the year, so this is it. And I did open it up to get it started. And I'm sure y'all have seen a bunch of them already. We do have a card. It says, enter your soft era. Oh, yay. I got a card that has the information in it. I did get the information offline. I mean, on the Ipsy website also, just to be safe, because I always get the information in my card, always, except last month I didn't. That's the first time it ever happened to me. So anyway, here is the bag. She's cute. It's already Blue's right here. He's right under here. So his fur's all over it. It's cute. It's a little too Matisse for me. I like the colors. I love the back. I love that they decorated the back. They don't always do that. And there is in printed Ipsy. I like that Ipsy's name is on there. Let me take everything out and I'll show you the inside. Look at this zipper pull. I gotta get that fur off of me. Okay, look at that zipper pull. How cute is that? That's like an earring, y'all. Isn't that cute? And the inside is a nice pink satin. And that's a cute bag. I like that. All right, so we get to choose. There's 5 items in the Ipsy Glam bag, and we get to choose one product, and they always offer some full-size items that you can pick, so that you can get a full-size item if you'd like. So in my choices were Shayna B, a highlighter by Shayna B, a Saturday Skin Vitamin C Eye Cream, Shades by Shan. It was a setting spray, Nip and Fab brand clay mask, Rose and Quartz leave-in hair conditioner, Innisfree Cherry Blossom Glow jelly cream, and the palette that I chose. And this is considered a full-size item, the palette, and it's valued at $16. And it's let's see what it looks like. It's nice that it's bubble wrapped. I like that. I think they're picking up a little bit on things. This is by Pink Lips. Isn't that cute? The packaging is cute. I've had a product or two now by Pink Lips. I think we had some lip glosses, a duo of lip glosses recently from them that was very nice. This is very pretty. It says Mauve Me Mini Eyeshadow Palette. So there it is. Let me open this. There's a lot of containers that are like this. It has just plastic. This is very pretty. It looks lighter, of course, online. Get ready to paint the town mauve with this 5-shade mini palette featuring rosy pigments and mauve hues. Now, it does call itself a mini palette, but it says that it's full size at $16. So those are really pretty. I like that. Maybe I'll swatch that at the end here. Let's see. Let's see how far we get. The next item I got, this was one of the choices, but this came in my bag here. This is the Innisfree Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $26. This says, give your skin some gentle pats to help. Oh, okay, let's see. It's a jelly-like consistency, but sinks into your parched skin like a cream. Innisfree is a good brand. And, oh, it smells good. This is the little tube. How cute is that? Green box. It's cute. Innisfree has really good skincare. It's sealed, of course, which is nice. So, very good skincare brand. So I'm happy to have that. Next, we have this item they say is full size. This is a peel. Let me see if I can hold that properly for you. A peel. This is a skin scrub. So this says on the paperwork that it's a Appeal Cosmetics Melon Crush Sugar Scrub, $18 value. On Ipsy's website, it said that it was valued at $21, and they sell it for $12. And this is 1 ounce, and it's sealed. It's sealed, but I can smell watermelon. It smells really good, and y'all, this is full. So, you know, but I don't know. It says it's full size. I don't know. It is a scrub, but let's see if it's for body, or it just says for dead skin. So it doesn't say necessarily that it's for your face or for your body. So buff away dull, dead skin. That's what you do with a sugar scrub. So sugar scrubs are usually pretty mild. You can use them on your face, but that might be meant for your body. Great travel size for vacation. And next in, always look in your bag, because you'll find things in there. There's a brush. This, I think, is the 3rd month in a row that I have a brush, y'all. Now, this is full size, and this is a $21.50 value. This is by SL Miss Glam. It says large, fluffy bird blending brush. So the reason it's called a bird, there's like these these different birds on it, Roadrunner and stuff like that. It's not the prettiest brush that I've ever seen from SL Miss Glam. Usually their brushes are very pretty. The barrel always has these 2 rhinestones in it. These are just 2 diamond looking ones instead of colored ones. So this says that it is a blending brush. It's quite big of a brush. And it says you can also use it for, you know, use it for other things like your blush or highlight. So, hey, Camille. Camille hasn't been up in a while, so that's pretty. That's pretty, Camille. You want to sit a minute? And then last, did I say, y'all, I had to refilm this. So, I don't know if I've said this already. Ipsy is $14 a month, $1.99 handling. So, basically $16 a month. If you buy it for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, you'll get more of a deal. And you are promised 5 items. And one full size and 4 deluxe samples, I think, is how they go now. And I think a value of $70. So this is my last item. Well, first of all, you know, 21, what was this, 23? 16. So, you know, this right here pays for the box. And then this is $21.50, and then this is whatever it is, $12, $22, $18, whatever you want to say. And then I have 2 deluxe samples and 3 full size, which is really nice. This is Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Fan Fest mascara. And I've had many mascaras from Benefit Cosmetics. Have I had the Fan Fest? I don't really know offhand. It looks familiar. The box is super pretty. Look at its coral all over. And these are great for trying a mascara to see if you like it, because the brush is going to be the brush that's in the full size. And they're great for if you want to really be consistent about throwing your mascara out every 3 months, because in about 3 months you'll still have some product in there. So those are my 5 items. We've got the Benefit mascara, the brush, the very unusual bird brush, the beautiful palette, which I think we'll swatch, the sugar scrub, Appeal sugar scrub, and the Innisfree. This was the, what was this now? I already forgot what it was. Oh, the jelly cream that will go to, jelly cream, brighten and glow, it says. I'm not into jelly kind of stuff for my skin. But let's swatch. If you're still here, if you'd like to see, we'll swatch this, okay? Did I tell you what I was wearing, y'all? Because like I said, I had to restart. I have on Natasha Denona Retro palette. I'll go fast. This is the Retro Glam palettes. And there she is, very beautiful. And on my lips, I have the Estate Pink Pony. This is called the Pink Pony. This is a really good, I think, color for many, many people. Goes great with all skin tones, I think. So let's see. This has, I don't think there's names for colors on here. So that's okay. Isn't that pretty? All right, so we've got these three. This one here is a shimmer. Oh, that has nice pigment to it. Very, very nice pigment to it. And let's see. And then this one's a matte, and that's a shimmer. So shimmer and shimmer. Right. Shimmer and shimmer. The other three are mattes. This is very nice. I think you can make several different looks out of this. You know, daytime, and you can bring this into evening, I do think. Very, very pretty. I like it. I like it. And I've had lippies from them before, but never eyeshadows. I don't think so. So it's nice to get something a little bit different and something that I like. What do y'all think? I hope that you enjoyed my Ipsy Glam bag. What did y'all get? Let me know. And thanks for stopping by to see what I got. And y'all take care. Count your blessings. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.